Let me ask you a question. What if a dollar could turn into $1,000? Sounds crazy, right? Or for some people, it might sound impossible. Well, that's exactly what I'm teaching people how to do inside my Skool community, where you can learn how not only to better your credit fast, but also how to turn a dollar into $1,000. You see, a lot of people want to talk about different ways to make money, but it's all about you acquiring a skill set that makes you in a position so that you can make $1,000 over and over again, not just one time with a $1 investments. Well, for the next 40 people, and to be more specific, actually for the next 44 people, as you can see, it's 56 people who are actively in this membership now. So 44 people will put me at 100. That way, I let 100 people in for $1, and the price will multiply after that. So make sure you grab it today. This is not some type of trick to get you to join. 44 more slots available for $1, and those who take advantage will benefit. You see, a lot of times people think that credit is just about boosting your score, when really credit can be a profit machine. Outside of just leveraging credit, you bettering your credit puts you in a position of someone who knows more than the next person. So if you have a 700 plus, 750 plus, 800 plus credit score, then that positions you to be able to help someone else. So why not turn that into a profit option of something that you can actually make money off of while helping people and doing good, especially if you got integrity. Only if you got integrity. That's the only people I like to work with. So let's dive into what's in this group. And if you stick around, I can show you how you'll have your own $1,000 days as well. It's one particular area that once you make it to this and you've applied everything else in alignment with it, you can be on track to having $1,000 days, which I've done over and over and over again off of this information. So let's go. Start here. So the start here section talks about how you can unlock $1,000 to $2,500 payout. I want you to get on the inside before I elaborate on what that is. But many of you already have something that could position you for up to $2,500 right now as it relates to your credit, but you just don't know it exists. Well, here I expose and show you what you need to do in order to position yourself to tap into that up to $2,500, simply put. Then from there, it shows you how to boost your credit. Now, I want you to turn $1,000 out of $1, but I also want you to understand credit. So if your credit is less than ideal or 700, less than 700, basically it starts with a 4, 5, or a 6. You'll benefit greatly from this section. And even if you already have great credit, but you don't quite know how to teach it in a way that can help others, or you can position yourself to make profits off of the fact that you have great credit, then it'll be important to go through this. So I break down the importance of this section, the formula for incredible credit. That's broken down in that video. How to get approved for almost anything. I won't click on that because that right there gives you another formula on what your credit report needs to be structured like. Then I break down credit in detail. My wife and I on the 5-day credit repair challenge, where I'm breaking down what payment history is and how to boost your payment history. That's day number 1. And then you don't have to do this on a day by day. You can binge this and check it out and knock it out even faster so you can get closer to the $1,000 days. But day 2, credit utilization and how to get up to 165 points just from that section alone, that video alone. Day 3, breaking down credit history. Day 4, breaking down new credit and how to get up to 55 points from that. And then the last day, credit mix, and how to get another 55 points from that. So each one of those videos positions you to boost your score and gives you practical, actionable steps that you can follow. And you boosting your score puts money in your pocket because it saves you a ton of money on interest, positions you to get qualified for certain things. Nonetheless, this is all available to you. You can get access to it for $1 today if you take action right now. I'm not sure how long this is going to last. So take advantage of it right now while it's fresh on your mind. Then you also get access to the 24-hour inquiry removal guide. Some people have too many inquiries, and those inquiries pile up, and it makes you a type of person that the banks don't want to lend to if they see that you have a ton of inquiries. So you want to get those inquiries cleaned up. Well, this 24-hour inquiry removal guide, which many people have paid way more than $1 for, that you get access to right here inside of this community. Then I talk about how you can get your job to pay off your credit. And there's 3 different videos that break down part 1, part 2, part 3, that positions you to be better financially while leveraging your job. And even if you don't have a job, you watching this can put you in a position to empower yourself as well as others. Then we get to the part that many people are anxious to get to, which is how do you make that $1,000 day? Well, I told you. If you stick around, I'll show you exactly where you need to go to learn how to have your first $1,000 day. But I don't want you to skip to this section. I want you to go through everything that's already been revealed. And then you make it to this section and now you're better equipped. So right here, I talk about how you can make money with me. It's ways that you can benefit and make money off of this community and other things as well, just by you tapping into this section. Then launch your own credit business. So now you can be in position to help others better their credit. If you help others better their credit, you make profits and you'll have assistance because this group, this community, and myself will help you with knowing what you can be doing in order to make sure that you're serving your clients on a high level. Make sure that it looks like you've been in business from day one. The moment you start your business, you'll look like you've been in business. So you won't look like a newbie. You won't have to worry about, I don't know what to do. Listen, nobody knew what to do until they did it. And then the more you do it, the better you get at it. And then eventually it looks like you had it all figured out all along. No, you were just willing to take that first baby step. Babies don't start walking right off the rip. They don't start crawling right off the rip. Hell, they got to develop muscle in order to be able to hold their head up. And it all starts with taking that initial action, but not giving up just at that first sign of weakness and pushing through, and then eventually you make it through. Now, with guidance, you can get there a lot faster. I want to position you to have $1,000 days as soon as possible. It depends on your work ethic, on going through these modules, your ability to take action, and then once you get to certain phases, I can reveal more things that can help you make that happen. I also show you how to set up your client portal for success, getting your client's credit analysis and onboarding. And these things can be used for yourself as well. So if you want to fix your own credit and use this strategy, this can help you as well. Then how to send out your first client letters, how to get set up to collect payments, because you definitely want to do that. So, you could be in position to have the $1,000 days. You want to do that before you take on clients. You need to know how to accept payments. I break that down, how to make $1,000 in a day. This video right here, I could sell that video and what comes with it easily for $1,000 if I wanted to, for $500 if I wanted to, $100 if I wanted to. But I'm making it available for those who take advantage now for $1. Then I talk about how to make $100 to $1,000 more with FCRA violations. So that's a whole nother conversation. And then I break down how the FCRA is something that you leverage to position yourself for more profits and helping more people. And then, how to make everything that you do that is involved with your business and you growing your business 100% tax deductible, which is beautiful when you realize when it's time to file taxes, how many tax deductions you actually have. And then it's the next level if you want full access. But I promise you, the information that's in here can position you to turn $1 into $1,000. All you got to do is take heed and take action. And once you take action, now you position yourself to see, oh, I'm better in my credit. Now I'm more confident. And I'm able to help more people. And now I see the importance of not just having credit for the sake of the score, having good credit for the sake of leveraging it for profits. So if you want access to this, I highly recommend you click the available link below and get access while it's still available. And once the price goes up, it goes up. And even if you see it and the price has gone up and you feel it's something worth your investment, if it's worth teaching you how to have $1,000 days, so that means that if it's $1,000 the next time you see it, still invest in it, because if $1,000 to show you how to have $1,000 days, then that's definitely worth your investment. But if it's anything less than $1,000 and you don't grab it right here, right now, I don't know what to tell you.